So today I am going to help you with turning a rusty old dirty cabinet into a beautiful, not rusty and not dirty one. Okay, so first you should clean the whole cabinet, like the sides, the top, the cabinets, and you want to get these tab thingies off since those will look better when they're gone.
And stop it.
So some people like to use sandpaper, but we're just skipping that because we have as good results because we use this from Home Depot. It's Rust-oleum Painter's Touch 2X Ultra Cover Paint and Primer. Okay, so you might need to paint the thing twice over, and you should put this spray can about 10 inches away so it doesn't like drip down. And you should always wear a mask because if you smell this too much, then it will hurt your lungs or your nose. And yeah, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching this, and I hope you like it.